Yo, what up guys? So today I'm going to show you how you can fix your hard drive that says read only, which means you can't copy anything into the drive or copy anything from the drive. So I had a comment from somebody who was having the same issue, and this is what the person said. So it seems the person be having an issue with the drive. It doesn't really give him the permission to copy something in there. So today that's what I'm going to show you how you can go about it and then make the drive work again. And let's get started. Okay, so now I'm going to connect my drive that has the read only there. Okay, and I'm going to show you how or what it looks like here. So it doesn't even show up here. All right, it doesn't even show up here. So just go ahead and close this and then go to this PC, go to the manage, then we can go to the disk management. All right, then you will know the drive is available on there, but it's read only. That's why it doesn't show up on the screen. So here's my drive, just here. So it's read only, or sometimes you can have it offline, you know. And then one thing I want you to take note is the disk number. All right, so once you're doing this, you take note of the disk number. So mine is disk 1. So I'm gonna go ahead and then close this, and then you go to your start menu. You go to your start menu and then you type in CMD, and then you run as administrator. You run as administrator right here. So here I'm gonna make it big so y'all can see what I'm doing. So in this area, what you're gonna type in is disk parts. So disk parts, and then you hit enter. So now we have the disk part mode activated. So the next step you're gonna do now is type in list disk. So list disk, and then you hit on enter. So here you're gonna go ahead and then look for the drive that's a read only. So mine is disk 1. So the next thing you're gonna do is just type in select disk 1. So select disk 1, and then you hit enter. So now the select disk is pro. It's now selected. The disk 1 is now selected. So the next step that you're gonna do again is type in attributes disk clear read only. So attributes disk clear read only, and then you hit enter. And so now it says the disk attribute clear successfully. All right, so let's close this and then come here, and boom, here we go. So the drive is back online again. See, and let's go to my computer and then see, and then boom, here we are. The drive is right here. So this is how it is done, simple as it is, and make sure you follow every single step carefully and don't miss any letter. So stay put, and if you are new here, subscribe to the channel and keep watching.
Started boarding when a nigga think I miss. Shit is funny, cause somebody bring the heat. Knew that's for me on the beat, I got a vocal.